Hi students, in this video I will explain about one of the important name reaction is known as Stephan reaction. Here in this Stephan reaction, what is the product we will get here? The product we are going to getting here aldehyde. So now let us learn about what is the reaction is involved in this Stephan reaction. So here when nitriles are reduced using stannous chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid, it followed by the acid hydrolysis forms aldehyde as a product. So such type of reaction is known as Stephan reaction. So here we are going to taking the reactants are known as nitriles. For that we are going to using as a catalyst is known as a stannous chloride that must be taken in the presence of hydrochloric acid that must be concentrated in nature. So in this process, what is the main process it is going to carry in? That is nothing but here acid hydrolysis. Now let us learn about that. Here nitriles means we have already have idea about that. RC triple bond N. RC triple bond N. This is also known as nitriles and it is also have another name cyanohydrocarbons. So these nitriles whenever it is followed by the acid hydrolysis. Now I will tell you what is acid hydrolysis. In presence of which type of a catalyst we are going to using here? Stannous chloride in presence of HCl. So now we should understand about that. What is the meaning of acid hydrolysis? In hydrolysis, any larger molecule broken into a simpler substances by the intake of water molecule. So when this process is carried out in the presence of non-oxidizing agents like HCl and H2SO4, such type of a process is known as acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. So simply we should understand that what is the difference between a hydrolysis to the acid hydrolysis. It is nothing but whenever we are adding of water molecule to the substances, it will broke down into two parts. So if that process it is carried out in the presence of acids, such type of process is known as acid hydrolysis. So here for these nitriles or cyanohydrocarbons we are applying here acid hydrolysis. What is the product we will get here? It will be appears in a two step of a reaction. So in first step they will be understand that this is in a nitriles and we are adding of here stannous chloride in presence of HCl. So here there is a adding of hydrogens to the cyanohydrocarbons. So in the first step what it is going to happen here, or this 2H must be added to this carbon and nitrogen. So just you should understand that RCH, then triple bond must be get converted into double bond and here there will be presence of NH. So here what we are going to obtaining here, one of the intermediate formation we are going to obtaining RCHNH. So this is a first step of reaction. So for the second step what we should apply means, here whatever the intermediate product we are obtaining, that product we should take as a reactant for a second step. See here RCH double bond NH and here we are adding of water molecule. I have already mentioned that we are applying here hydrolysis in the presence of acid, so we are called as acid hydrolysis. So whenever we apply the acid hydrolysis for this intermediate product, what we will get? Now let us learn about that. See here for this we are applying here hydrolysis process RCH. Here we are applying here we are adding a water molecule. So whenever we are adding a water molecule, what is the product we will get here? The breakdown of this intermediate product. So this must be broken down into aldehyde product because RCHO and remaining what it will be left here NH, and to this another two hydrogen molecule we are going to adding means it will becomes a NH3. So the product what we will get here, we are going to obtaining aldehyde as a product and there is elimination of NH3. So such type of a reaction is known as Stephan reaction. It must be appears in 2 steps. So finally what we are going to obtain here, aldehyde as a main product. So this is a general reaction we are going to considering for Stephan reaction. Now let us take examples by using of in place of RCN is there as a similar case. We are going to taking some examples. So now let us learn about that. So here we are taking example for this case of Stephan reaction. In place of R, just we are going to taking here number of carbon atoms. So just now see here, when ethane nitrile is reduced, see here reactants we are going to taking here, ethane nitrile is reduced using stannous chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid. It must be followed by the acid hydrolysis. It will give the product is known as ethanol or acetaldehyde. So just we should understand that example means we are going to see here general reaction. So CH3C triple bond N, so this is known as ethane nitrile. It must be reduced because we are going to adding here hydrogen atoms for this reactant in presence of stannous chloride, that followed by the hydrolysis. So these 2 hydrogen atoms must be added to this carbon and nitrogen. So here what is the change we can understand here, CH3C single bond for this 1 hydrogen atom it is going to adding, and this triple bond must be reduced into a double bond, and for this N there is a adding of hydrogen atom. So here there will be formation of intermediate product. For this intermediate product we are going to taking, for this intermediate product we are going to adding of here water molecule, means because we are applying acid hydrolysis. So what it is going to formation here O and here H2. So the product what we are going to obtain here, CH3CHO, CH3CHO, and here 2 hydrogen atom it is added to this H, so it will becomes now NH3. So this is known as ethanol or acetaldehyde. So we should understand that for this Stephan reaction what we are going to obtain here, the product is known as a aldehyde. There is elimination of a molecule is known as here ammonia. So this is about the Stephan reaction by using of nitriles or cyanohydrocarbons. So this is a very important name reaction. So if you have any doubts, please comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.